oils for long hair growth. Want long, luscious hair that turns heads? The secret might already be in your pantry or local store. Today, we're diving into the top 10 oils for hair growth, how they work, and the best ways to use them for maximum results. Let's get started. 1. Coconut oil. First on our list, the holy grail of hair care, coconut oil. This oil is a powerhouse of lauric acid, which penetrates the hair shaft deeply, reducing protein loss and preventing damage. Best use. Warm the oil slightly and massage it into your scalp. Leave it overnight or for at least 30 minutes before washing it off. For even better results, mix it with curry leaves or hibiscus flowers for extra nourishment. 2. Argan oil. Second, we have the luxurious argan oil, also known as liquid gold. Extracted from Moroccan argan trees, it's rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which repair damaged hair and protect it from heat and UV rays. Best use. Use a few drops as a leave-in conditioner to tame frizz and add shine. Or, mix it with your favorite hair mask for a deep conditioning treatment. 3. Castor oil. Looking to boost hair growth quickly? Castor oil is the ultimate scalp stimulator. It's packed with ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, which improve blood circulation and promote rapid growth. Best use. Dilute castor oil with coconut or almond oil for easier application. Massage it into your scalp twice a week for visible results within a month. 4. Olive oil. Next is olive oil, a staple in every kitchen that doubles as a fantastic hair moisturizer. Rich in emollients and antioxidants, it strengthens hair strands, reduces breakage, and keeps your hair hydrated. Best use. Combine it with honey for a DIY hair mask or apply it to damp hair as a leave-in treatment to prevent split ends. 5. Almond oil. Fifth on the list is almond oil, a lightweight oil loaded with magnesium, vitamin E, and biotin, perfect for repairing hair and reducing shedding. Best use. Warm it slightly and apply it directly to your roots. For dry hair, add a few drops to your conditioner or styling cream for a silky finish. 6. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a game changer for those struggling with dandruff or an itchy scalp. Its antimicrobial properties fight bacteria and fungus, ensuring a healthy scalp environment for growth. Best use. Always dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba. Use 3 to 4 drops per tablespoon of carrier oil and massage it into your scalp. Wash it off after 20 minutes. 7. Grapeseed oil. Seventh is the lightweight yet nourishing grapeseed oil. It's perfect for those with thin or oily hair as it hydrates without leaving a greasy feel. Plus, it's packed with vitamin C, which boosts collagen production for stronger hair. Best use. Use it as a pre-shampoo treatment or mix it into your regular conditioner to lock in moisture. 8. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is unique because it closely mimics the natural oils your scalp produces, helping to balance oil production and unclog follicles. Best use. Massage a few drops into your scalp before bed. For dry ends, apply a small amount to your fingertips and run it through your hair. 9. Black seed oil. Number 9 is black seed oil, a lesser-known miracle for hair growth. Rich in nutrients like thymoquinone, it strengthens follicles, prevents thinning, and combats hair fall. Best use. Mix it with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and apply it as a scalp treatment once a week. You'll notice stronger and thicker hair over time. 10. Rosemary oil. Finally, we have rosemary oil, known for its ability to boost blood circulation and revive dormant follicles. Studies show that it can be just as effective as minoxidil for hair regrowth. Best use. Add a few drops to your shampoo or dilute it with coconut oil and apply it directly to your scalp. Use it twice a week for best results. Remember, consistency is key. Whether you're dealing with hair fall, dryness, or want to speed up growth, these oils have got you covered. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care secrets. Your journey to long, healthy hair starts today.